Okay, everyone, hello and welcome to this new webinar series that is called Predicting Tops and Bottoms using Fibonacci. And myself, Bharat Junjunwala, I am the founder of wavemetric.com, and we provide a host of services for trading in stock markets, commodity markets, forex markets, or every financial instrument that is available for trade. We provide services in it. So do visit our website at www.wavemetric.com, and also we have just launched an app that gives trading ideas in all the segments, that is the commodity segment, the stock segment, the equity segment, and the futures segment, option segments. So you can also download the app from the App Store and the Google Play Store to see the features. The app is absolutely free now. And this webinar of predicting tops and bottoms using Fibonacci is exclusively for our app users only. So this is how our app looks, and this webinar is only for our exclusively for the people who have already downloaded our app, already members of the Webmetric app and enjoying the services of the app. So let us start this webinar right now and see how we can predict uh, tops and bottoms, or whether prediction of tops and bottoms in the stock markets or in the commodity markets or any market is possible or not. If it is, what are the tools that will be required in prediction of stocks and market? Because everybody and everyone who is trading in the market has a fancy to catch the top, that is sell on the top and buy at the bottom. So the question remains still unanswered whether it is possible to do this or not. That we'll see as this session progresses. So first of all is let us define a top and bottom. It's not like that. Okay, you are selling at the market top and the market bottom, right? Tops and bottoms are relative to the trend. So first definition is a significant up and significant down move, may be defined as a top and bottom. So suppose a stock is moving in an uptrend and suddenly there is a down move. So this can be defined as a top, a significant top, right? Similarly, if you see that a stock is moving in a downtrend and suddenly a news comes and the stock moves up in a single candle or in a single bar. So this can be related or called a significant bottom. So this is the first definition of an top and bottom. What we define top and bottom as. Now second, it can be highs and lows within a defined range. Right. So suppose a stock is moving within a triangle or within a rectangle. Now the stocks come down and keeps testing the support and resistance area before breaking up or breaking down. So these also can be defined as tops and bottoms. These are relative tops and bottoms in a defined area. So this is how we are defining tops and bottoms here also. Third is, it can be within a defined trend. So a trend is ongoing, right? So it can be defined, this can be defined as a short-term top, this can be defined as a short-term bottom, this can be defined as a top, this can be defined as a bottom, this can be defined as a top, and this can be defined as a bottom if it moves up. So the question still remains unanswered, whether is it possible to predict these tops and these bottoms. Can we predict where this move is headed to or where this correction will end? Is it predictable using the technical analysis tools that are available? And the answer is yes, it is predictable. And even it is predictable before the market reaches these levels, right? So you will have the levels of the tops and you will have the levels of the bottoms even before market reaches them. It can be used in any time frame from 1 minute to a monthly chart. It just depends on your proficiency, how you can handle the market, how proficient you are in handling the market, in handling the real-time markets and trends. So things to be taken in account, as I told you, that this can be traded in all time frame. And one thing you should know, that when you are trading tops and bottoms, you may trade against the trend also, a type of swing trading, what we call. So you should be cautious, very cautious, because you're going against the trend, right? Just a type of swing trading system that we are going to discuss, and it's a very effective system. And the best part about this system is that you get the levels beforehand, and trade should be held for subsequent candles. Okay, so when you are into a trade may go for 2 or 3 days or maybe 4 days, right, in a swing trade on the daily basis. And if you're doing it on a weekly basis, then the trade must be carried to several weeks. And if you're doing on the hourly basis, then also maybe a couple of days or maybe some hours. So we need to hold on to the trades, and you should be aware that the market can play against you for days, right? So when you are having a level, when you have defined a level of support and you see that the market is going down, it comes on the support, and for 1 or 2 candles it breaks the support also. But since you have the stop loss intact, the market can play against you for a couple of days, and it will do, right? Profit will accrue slowly, so you don't have to get, impatient there. This is a very effective method, and profits are there, but you have to keep your patience. You have to keep your guts very intact to trade this. And believe me, once you have this capacity, or once you have this talent to keep your guts intact or keep your patience intact, then this method is going to accrue, very good profits, slowly and solid profits. You should be adequately capitalized. Now what will happen, that during this method it may happen that you may need to have buy 1 lot or even 2 lots, or sometimes even we have to buy 3 lots. So capitalization, you need capital, you need margin. So suppose when you buy 1 lot here and the market falls for another, say, 3 bars down, so you should have enough margin so that your positions do not get squared up by your brokers. So capital is one funda that is required in this method, as because I told you multiple entries will be needed, and also we can exit at multiple levels. It's not like that when the trade is started going up in our direction, it's not that we have to exit at the levels that is pre-decided by us. We can exit at multiple levels, right? Suppose we can exit here, we can exit here, we can exit here, we can exit at multiple levels. So this is what basic it look like that. So a few tools that we utilize for forecasting tops and bottoms are trendline and channels, Andrews pitchfork, Bollinger Band, oscillators, Fibonacci, and candle and volume patterns. So these are 6 tools that can be utilized and may be utilized to predict a top or predict a bottom. What we are doing today, we are only focusing on Fibonacci today. So as we move forward and the days to come, we'll look at these tools, other tools also, but this session is related to Fibonacci, and this is the most important tool amongst these 6 tools. So this is the most important one also. So we are only focusing on this tool as of now. So to view this full seminar or the full webinar, you have to download this Webmetric mobile application. It's available on the Apple Play Store and Apple iStore, App Store, and it's available on Google Play also. So once you download it, you go to the market blog section and you will see there one heading that's predicting tops and bottoms part 1, and you can download it from there to continue this session and see how we use Fibonacci and how Fibonacci is used to predict the top and bottom thing. All right. So see you in the App Store then, and see you in the meet you in the app. And we are going to release this session in couple of days. So download it today and enjoy. Till then, bye bye.